Okay, so you have a Moen motion sensing faucet and you're having low pressure when you turn the hot water on. I've already fixed mine so the water pressure is fine, but here's how I fixed it, okay? So underneath the sink, there's the flashlight. So underneath the sink, you have the little control box right up there, okay? First thing you want to do, obviously, is you want to turn off the water supply. So my hot water supply is right over here. You turn that off, okay? And then you'll want to unscrew this control box and pull it down so you can get access to it easier. So I'll bring this down here and you'll see that the hot water supply is actually labeled. So again, make sure that the water supply is turned off. And there's a little ring right here that you have to depress, which will allow you to pull out this water line right here. You'll probably need an extra pair of hands. So I'll show you how to do that real quick. So I depress this ring. Hang on, don't play it. Stop playing for a second. Okay, depress the ring, and that comes out. That comes out like this, and then you'll need 2 wrenches, right? 2 wrenches, because you'll want to hold the bottom here in place, and then you just unscrew. Oops. You just unscrew the top part. Let me just get that nice and tight. And this unscrews. Hang on. Let's get on there a little tight. All right. So that unscrews. The top part of that unscrews. And then once you get that off, there's a little filter in here. This little filter right there, if you're having low pressure, it gets all gummed up. So I was able to find a bunch of sediment in there. We have well water. So a bunch of sediment in there, maybe iron, something else, was all trapped in there. So just clean that out. Okay, just clean that out, this little filter. Put that back in. Obviously, I've already cleaned mine. Put that back in. Tighten it back up, just like so. Tighten it back up, and then put that right back into the hot water supply right there. Obviously, then tie it back up in there. While you're doing this, it might be a good idea to unplug these 2 lines right there. I didn't do it, but that's what controls the electronics. But once you got that back in there, turn the hot water supply back on, and you should be good to go. Pressure's back on. That's it.